Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. Today in this video we are going to talk about Bitcoin. Major news related to BTC right now, price above 72,700. At one point today price went above 73,500 and that kind of marked the all-time high or close to the all-time high, the previous iteration of the all-time high in March of 2023. 2024 was at around 73k at and $80. Right now the price went slightly higher than that at around 73,500. We are looking at some of the other metrics related to Bitcoin on our channel. This is cryptoweeklies.com machine learning based price forecast for BTC going forward till end of March of 2025. This is the weekly price action of BTC on a logarithmic scale in white. Based on those price action data, the machine learning model has forecasted three scenarios for BTC. The base case, which is the trend without any bias to the bullish or bearish side. The trend for BTC is up. Price action between 72k and 83k is the trend price. That is, if there are no further bullish or bearish narratives, that would be the likely price. Again, none of the content is financial advice. We use machine learning techniques such as ARIMA, LSTM, and XGBoost to look at what is theoretically a ceiling or a floor. Right now, market has picked up a lot. If the rally continues, the bull case scenario for this week peaks at around 76,000, and as we move further into the future, 100k Bitcoin is forecasted by this model at around January 26th of 2025. Until the end of till the end of March and early April of 2025, the price forecasted by this model is at around $115,000. This is the 68th percentile or 1 standard deviation confidence interval based scenario. That means no euphoria, but more like a run of the mill bull market. If on the other hand, if prices go euphoric and we witness a 2 standard deviation scenario, the price action could see between 80k and almost 146k between now and end of March of 2025. So that's the upside. We also like to talk about what could theoretically a downside, that is between 58k and 68k right now, based on 1 standard deviation moves. So that's where Bitcoin is on its USD pair journey. In terms of some of the simple moving average related key milestones, this is how Bitcoin is performing, Bitcoin and ETH. Let's remove ETH for now. This is the BTC price versus risk analysis based on what BTC is doing with respect to 20-week moving average. The last time, that is in the rally of 2024 March, when price was at around 73k, the risk level was 78, that is 78%, 0.78. Right now the risk level is at around 47%. Essentially, even the price is more or less the same, the risk levels have gone down a lot. That is because the relationship between the price and the 20-week moving average is better at this time around. The price is fairly close to the 20-week simple moving average, and this, historically speaking, whenever the 20-week moving average based risk indicator goes into this orange or red zone, that's when major tops have occurred. That corresponds to a normalized risk between 0.6 and 0.8. We are some ways are off from that level. If Bitcoin cools off from this rally, then again the risk goes down, and again the likely reward goes up. In terms of analyzing Bitcoin using the PeakValley indicator, this is top 10 cryptos by market cap, not top 100. Top 10 cryptos by market cap and how they are doing on their risk pair. Cumulatively speaking, the risk is at around 0.64. And in terms of where major peaks have occurred, first in May of 2021 and then November 2021, the risk at those peaks are above 0.8. Right now we are further ways away from that scenario. Again, if you compare this with March of 2024, we are almost 0.10, sorry, that is almost 10% down from in terms of the risk level. That means although the prices are essentially the same, the risks have gone down, which should theoretically be bullish for Bitcoin. In terms of analyzing the time weighted average price for Bitcoin, this analysis is coming to a key level. You can see right now the prices at around 71k are corresponding to a risk level of around 79%. Back in March they were at around 84%. Again, a lot of room between that and now in terms of time weighted average price. And last but not the least, we'll be discussing the longer term perspective for Bitcoin based on its compound annual growth based risk level model. This is the rainbow chart for BTC at a weekly level. These are the OHLC candles, and on top of the OHLC candles, open, low, high, close candle, the fair value of BTC on this polynomial regression based valuation, the fair value is this pink line, and the price right now still below the pink fair value, coming in at around 76k. That means in terms of the price action, although there has been a breakout today at around price action as high as around 73k, still lower than 76k. This again, all of the content available on cryptoweeklies.com. You can see that even the last rally, that is in March of 2024, price, when the price was coming close to this 75k, that would have corresponded to a 1 standard deviation ceiling. Price came just fairly close to this yellow line. That yellow line now, as the asset class has matured, that value is now at around 125k. That means 125k Bitcoin would be as overheated today as in March a 73, 74k Bitcoin was. So over the course of almost 7 to 8 months, the 1 standard deviation ceiling has moved almost by 50,000 level. And in terms of the support at around 1 standard deviation ceiling is right now is coming in at let's zoom in a little, is coming in at around 46k. So that would correspond to a floor in terms of any major corrections. So that's where Bitcoin is. Hope you enjoyed this content. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, also give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.